We live our whole lives inside our brain. But nobody really teaches us how it actually works. Most of us think we are lazy, unfocused, unmotivated, or broken. But in reality, we are just using our brain without instructions. Hi, this channel is about the brain, psychology, and how to live better using science, not motivation quotes. I take complex ideas from neuroscience and psychology and explain them in a clear, simple, human way without academic language and without making things complicated on purpose. Here, we talk about how your brain really works, why focus is hard, why motivation comes and goes, why stress, dopamine, habits, and emotions control more of our life than we think. Modern life is not designed for the human brain. Constant notifications, endless scrolling, pressure to be productive, and zero time to recover. Your brain reacts to all of this automatically, not consciously. That is why many problems are not personal failures. They are biological and psychological mechanisms we were never taught about. On this channel, I explain neuroscience and psychology in a realistic, practical way. No fake positivity, no hustle culture, no wake up at 5 a.m. and grind harder advice. We will talk about focus, habits, motivation, energy, emotions, mental health, and the pleasure of living, all connected to how the brain actually functions in real life. This channel is for people who want to understand themselves better, for people who want to live more effectively without burning out, and for those who want clarity, not noise. If you want to learn how to use your brain instead of fighting it, you are in the right place. Subscribe and let's start understanding the brain and life the right way.